Do you know about the gate wall? Can you identify in the industry that whether this is a gate wall, globe wall or any other type of wall? If yes, then good. If no, then in this video we are going to discuss about the what is wall, what is gate wall, working of gate wall, industrial application of gate wall, identification of gate wall in an industry, advantages and disadvantages of the gate wall. So hello everyone, welcome in Learn CHE. If you are new in our YouTube channel, you can subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you could get the latest notification. Okay, so let's start the video with what is gate wall. So first we see the definition. What is the definition of the gate wall? Okay, first we must know about the definition, and the definition is that gate wall is a linear motion wall. Okay, in the last video we discussed about the wall and the types of walls. We discussed about the classification of the wall, and there we seen that walls are the two types. The first one is a rotary type, where we discuss about the ball wall, plug wall, and the second types of walls are the linear motion types of walls, where we discuss about the gate wall and globe wall. Got it? So gate wall is a linear motion wall, okay, which is used in the pipeline. Got it? My point means it will be used in a pipeline. Suppose here it will be used in a pipeline, right? So suppose this is the pipeline to fully open or to fully close the flow. Okay, that is very important. It means that the gate wall is used in a pipeline to fully open the flow or to fully close the flow. So here you can see that suppose if this is my pipeline and this is the gate wall. So if it is used in a pipeline to fully open, means if it will be fully open, then my fluid will be flow from here, or if it will not be fully open, then my fluid will not be flow. Got it? My point? It means that when it will fully open, then my fluid will be flow, and if it will not open, it will be closed, then my fluid will not flow from here, right? And in other words, we can also say that the gate wall is a type of wall which comes in the category of on-off walls, right? Why? Because it is not regulating the flow. Whether you can use it as a on purpose or whether you can use it as a off purpose, right? And it will be damaged in the partially open. Means if you will partially open or partially close it, so it can damage its disc. Okay, we will discuss about it later, but you can just understand that if it will be partially open, suppose this is the seat of the wall and this is the disc, let's suppose, right? So what will happen that if it is a partially open, so due to high velocity, this portion will be damaged. Okay, so it is only used as a on-off purpose, or we can say as a fully open or fully closed purpose. I hope that you understood that what is the gate wall. Okay, I hope like you have a rough idea now what is a gate wall. Got it? Now let's see that what is the working of the gate wall. That is very important, because you should know that what is the working, how this gate wall will be work in an industry. Okay, so and suppose like if you are in an industry, whether you are a mechanical engineer, chemical engineer, instrumentation engineer, you should know that which type of wall is this and how this wall will work. Okay, then only you can distinguish between the different types of walls. So working of the gate wall. Okay, here simply you can see that in the last video as well we discussed about the parts of the wall. Okay, and the same here, there is a steam which will go upward and downward, and because of the movement of this steam, this wall will work. Okay, there is a packing gland which is used to avoid the leakage, bonnet, and this is the gate. This one is a gate and this one is a body. See here, this is the body, this is a bonnet, nut and bolt, this is a hand wheel, this one is a stem, and here you will find the packing. Okay, and body I have already told you, this one is a body. Now we are talking about the working. Okay, so see here, if you wanna open this gate wall, right, so what you will do, you will apply the anti-clockwise motion, means you will provide the anti-clockwise motion like this. You will provide the anti-clockwise motion, and what you will find that this stem will go upward, and suppose this hand wheel is at a constant position, so this stem will go upward when you will apply the anti-clockwise motion, and what you will find that this gate will go upward. Okay, means you can also say that this gate will go away from the seat. There is a seat. Okay, at this seat this gate is placed, right? So when you will apply the anti-clockwise motion, so it will go upward and your fluid will be flow from here. But when you will apply the clockwise motion, so what will happen that time? This gate will be placed on the seat. This is the seat, right? And your fluid will not be flow, means now your wall is closed, your gate wall is closed. So this is the working, as simple as that. What you have to do, you have to rotate this hand wheel. When you will rotate this, so due to thread, what will happen that this steam will go upward and downward. Okay, by applying the anti-clockwise motion and by applying the clockwise motion, by only that you can operate the wall, or you can operate the gate wall. And here you can see that as it will go away from the seat, your fluid will flow, and as it will come closer to the seat, means this gate, your wall will be closed. I hope you understood that how this gate wall will work. Got it my point? Okay, now let's see the industrial application of the gate wall. So here are the some industrial application which I have seen in our industry, and the first industrial application of the gate wall is that the gate wall is used to totally shut off the fluid flow, means it is used as a on-off purpose, which we have also discussed in our definition slide, and to provide full flow when it is fully open, means it will provide full flow when it will be fully open. This we have also discussed, right? And it is mainly used as a on-off purpose. Suppose if there is a one pipeline where you do not want regulation, you just want a fully open and fully closed purpose, you want to use any wall for the fully open and fully closed purpose, so you can use this gate wall, right? And in the last, it is suitable to use in the high temperature and high pressure environment, means where you want to use it. So in the steam plant, in water treatment plant, in fertilizer, in refinery, you will find the gate wall mainly. Okay, so these are the main application of the main industrial application of the gate wall. Now, how to identify the gate wall in an industry? This is the very famous question and very frequently asked question by the students or those who are working in an industry, that sir, how to find the gate wall in an industry? So there is one thing, that is, you can say simply, that is a thumb rule. Okay, that is a thumb rule, is that when this hand wheel will be constant, or we can say fixed, and this steam will be go upward. Okay, means this hand wheel will not go upward along with this steam, and only this steam will go upward, then this type of wall, here you can see that the steam is going upward, so you can say that this is a gate wall. This is a gate wall. Otherwise you can say that if it will not happen, means the steam and wheel is fixed together, then that wall will be globe wall. Okay, but there are also those types of gate walls as well, where the steam and hand wheels are also fixed, but frequently or widely you will see these types of gate walls, and you can find these gate walls easily. So like whenever if suppose whenever you will go to the industry and so just see the wall, and when you will find these types of walls or this type of situation, so you can simply say that this wall is at the open position. The first thing is that open position, and the second thing is that it is a gate wall. Got it my point? So this is the one rule you can say to identify the gate wall in the industry, and the one thing as well which by which you can also find the gate wall in the industry, that is you can use the or refer the PNID, and in the PNID mainly you will find this type of symbol for the gate wall. Okay, this is like a gate, and also there is this type of symbol as well. These both symbols are used in a PNID. So while whichever the plant you are, you can see refer the PNID, and in the PNID if this type of symbols are there in a pipeline, so you can say that this is the gate wall. Okay, so this is the another method by which you can find the gate wall, and one method which I have already told you that you can use in the field. Now let's see the advantages of the gate wall. That is very important. Okay, the first advantage of the gate wall is that it is used, or it is very good to use for the on-off feature. We have already discussed about it, and it is very simple in construction, right? There is not complexity to design it, so it is very simple in construction as well. So that's why it is widely used in the refinery, in fertilizer, in water treatment plant, in power plant. And the third reason is that minimum torque is required, right? While you are opening it or closing it, so minimum torque is required to close it or open it, right? And the another advantages of gate walls is that it is bidirectional, means you can use it in the two direction. Okay, and the fifth advantage of the gate wall is that low resistance to flow. Why? Because it is a fully open or fully closed wall, right? Fully open or closed, so that's why it do not resist the following fluid to flow. So we can say that the advantage of the gate wall is that low resistance to flow, and in the last, minimum pressure drop or minimum pressure loss through the wall. Why? Just because it is a fully open. If it is a fully open, so there is no, we can say that no movement of the following fluid. This type of movement will not be there, right? Just this type of movement will be there of the following fluid. So we can say that the minimum pressure drop, that's why also it is used. Means if suppose there is any pipeline where you do not want the high pressure drop, so you can use this one. Okay, and in the last, what are the disadvantages of the gate wall? So the first disadvantages of the gate wall which I see in the industry, that is gate walls do not open or close quickly. Okay, you need some time, means their torque is too high. Yes, minimum torque is like required to open it, but the torque is high. That's why you will have to apply the motion, anti-clockwise motion or clockwise motion regularly, okay, for the some time to close or open it, right? So that's why it is not open or close quickly, the first thing. Second thing is that you can see in the picture, it is a more space requirement. While using it in a pipeline, it required a more space. You can also consider it in a disadvantage. The third one is that it cannot regulate the flow. Whenever we are discussing it, it is only discussed by the, like whenever we are using it for the on-off purpose or the shut-off purpose. Got it my point? So it do not use for the throttling purpose. It do not use to control the flow, regulate the flow. Okay, as here is the gland leakage. Okay, here is the gland packaging which we use to avoid the leakage. So sometimes while operating it, the gland leakage problems are there in the gate wall. That is very like that is a frequent problem which we find in our industry, and that's why here one thing, that is a maintenance cost is high. Okay, the maintenance cost of the wall is high because of the two sealing surfaces, and the second thing is the gland leakage problem is come here frequently. so maintenance cost is high. And in the last is that the vibration, chattering or uneven problems are there when in the line. Line means when it is a fully open. When it is a fully open, so the vibration problems is there, chattering problems is there, and uneven problems are there. So if suppose there is a vibration problem, so it will damage our wall, right? The wall disc we can say, or the pipeline we can say. So that's why like these are the some disadvantages of the gate wall. And so there are some modification which we did in a industry. So, and instead of gate wall, sometimes we use the globe wall, okay, and some other walls, okay. So in the next video we will discuss about the globe wall, okay, and why we use the globe wall. And in this video we discussed about the gate wall, okay. So that's all for the today's video. If you have any doubt in this video, you can let me in the comments box. I'll give you the reply as soon as possible, okay. So thank you for watching. See you soon.